Hello again, Choro-Q fans. We're gonna learn a little bit about car history again. This time by collecting this Choro-Q number Z-46, the Renault Fourgonette. I'm probably not pronouncing that right, but it's the Renault 4, the replacement for the Renault 2. So this thing had a long life. In the real world, it was over 8 million units were made between 1961 to 1992. That's a long span to make a vehicle. This is considered the world's first hatchback car, and it was also the first front-wheel drive family car for Renault. It's very similar to the 2CV. It's built for durability, and it's built to be cheap, low maintenance, kind of like a people's car for France, or the successor to the people's car in France. So we have these mirrors, but I'm not going to put them on because there's no mirror pegs. They're just going to break off. Let's take a look at these images here. This thing actually has 3 lug nuts, and I think Choro-Q actually got that right. Rectangular turn signals, bumperettes, round headlights. Yeah, that looks all pretty good. See the hatchback here, so it's obviously foreshortened quite a bit. But here's a modern day photo, it looks like, right? So these things are still rolling around. They're kind of goofy looking, like the whole rear top, how it looks like it's added on. But that's just the way it came from the factory. Alright. So Choro-Q here has it cast in a plain orange, or it's painted plain orange. And then the front end, we have the headlights painted silver. We have the Renault shape, but no paint on it, and some really fine grille texture. There's white here on these rectangles, but I don't think there's orange on it because that thing is orange. The license plate there has nothing on it, but it's molded there. Same with the little bumperettes. And look, it's interesting, this bumper's actually skeletonized a little bit. So it's a separate piece, it looks like, it's floating out front. Well, I guess we're on the bottom here. Oh, interesting. There's a little side exhaust. So that's unexpected. A separate piece, just painted silver. And then Fourgonette. That's how I'm pronouncing it. Production dial. It says this thing is from 2016. The 12th month of 2016. It also has mud flaps. I don't know if I recall seeing mud flaps on a Choro before. Alright. Sticker here where it's in the line. And then nicely molded taillights painted as well. I think there's actually orange on there too. Hinges molded in there. This window looks totally black to me. Same with that. Yeah. There are the tires and the wheels. The tires are slab-sided, but the wheels are nicely done. The 3 lug nuts and then some recesses there. There's silver here on the protruding and recessed door handle, so that's nice. The wipers are just printed on. It looks pretty good though. Interesting molding there. I'm gonna guess maybe that's the fuel filler. It's protruding, painted black. Okay. A little door handle here, but no paint on that one. Yeah, some hinges up here, some corrugation. So it's a really interesting, very utilitarian looking vehicle. It's quite interesting that Choro-Q would even make a casting of this over a 2CV. A 2CV is far more popular, but they chose to do this. So it's strange, the licensing that Choro-Q decides to get. Alright. One of my favorite Renaults is this guy, the R5 Turbo. This one's got a nice racing livery. That's a Choro-Q Zero as well. Another strange Renault is a Kangoo. This is a police version of a Kangoo. That's a Choro-Q Zero. So that's another weird one, This is, I see this being more popular than a Kangoo, but Someone at ChoroQ must love Renaults. A really cool one is this Alpine 1110. This is a police one. That's a ChoroQ 0. Even cooler, I think, is the Alpine 310. And this is from Evangelion. But this is not a 0. But it has a lot of 0-like qualities, like the printing on the back. All this printing on the front. The clear lights. It's really cool. Really specific wheels. Which also are 3-spoke, 3 lug nut wheels. Okay. Let's lose these cars. Yeah, let's just lose all of them. Another strange vehicle is a Nissan Escargot. Very tall, not boxy, but very tall and goofy looking. This is a pretty basic ChoroQ though, so it looks very basic. And a couple other zeros from this era. There's an Alpha Giulia and a Fiat 500 Police. Those are both two ChoroQ zeros. So, learning by collecting toys again. I'm not sure if I even knew about the R4 existing. I knew about the 2CV, but I'm not sure if I ever knew about this car, even though it spanned several decades of production. But I grew up in North America, so they were never imported there. Oh well. It's always better to catch up later than never, right? So it's another fine ChoroQ Zero. I know they have a service delivery version, but I haven't seen it come up at a price I'm willing to pay for it. So this will do for now. Okay, well thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next Choro Renault review. Bye.